Hi friends, welcome back. My name's Addie Gunnan of Well Loved Clothing, and today I am in my leather chair in my living room, which means that this video is a thrift flip. I am so excited. I have some really fun ideas. With spring coming, it's a lot easier to make hemlines shorter and put funky sleeves on things. With winter thrift flipping, it's a little harder. You kind of have to keep in mind that it's going to be cold. I'm really excited today because I have this giant pile of things. So I don't really know how many pieces I'm going to get to from this whole pile. I'm going to be adding some cutouts to some, adding some puffy sleeves to others. Some of these pieces I've been wanting to update for a long time. I've had them in my closet for a while and I thought that would be really cool if it looked like this. So today I'm just kind of going through a bunch of different pieces. Thrift flipping is one of my favorite things to do because you get to make a piece that is so unique to your style, but also to just fashion in general. Because there's obviously no piece like it because you are making it for yourself, but you also get to fit something so well to make yourself feel so good. As I go along, I'll kind of show y'all some inspiration pics too, and you're definitely going to get a before and definitely going to get an after. I am going to pick from my giant pile here. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with this one. I have big ideas for this skirt. A lot of what I've been inspired by recently is this brand called LoveShackFancy. It is so romantic and gorgeous. Very couture, but also very ethereal, and everything is floral and pink and feminine. So I'm just kind of obsessed with it. And so when I saw this pattern, I thought it would be perfect to make into a little flouncy puffy sleeve dress. So we're going to take the elastic that's sewn in around the top. We're going to take it out so that it makes a nice neckline right here. And then I'm going to cut off the bottom. So it'll be a cute little short dress, and I'll take the rest of the fabric there and put a really cute little elastic puppy sleeve in it. Been wanting a dress from LoveShackFancy for forever, but I don't buy new things. And so I'm going to take an old thing that I thrifted and revamp it. This one is actually my favorite dress right now, and I'm thinking that this piece is going to turn into that. Now that you know the before and the hopeful after and my inspiration for this, let's get to sewing. Okay, so I finished sewing the dress. I cut out the elastic in the back, and it's actually too tight right across my chest. Obviously my here is bigger than, oh my gosh. This part is obviously smaller than this part of my body, and so I am going to add like an inch or two on this edge. Right now it's a very cute little midi skirt, but I am going to make the part that I cut off of the bottom here into a puffy kind of sleeve. So I have some elastic that I'm going to put into the edges of the sleeve. So let's do it. So it has been hours and I finished a sleeve in the main part of the dress, but the sleeve is not turning out how I want it to at all. It's just not enough fabric to actually make it like a puppy sleeve. We're just gonna pivot, make it into a strap now. So it's gonna be a square neck with a thick strap. No sweat, we're just gonna make a strap. Let's keep going. Okay. It is another day because these things do not take me just like 2 hours in an afternoon. They take me a very long time, especially when I start to get a little frustrated like I did with this one yesterday. It's still going to be very cute, but it's not quite the original vision that I had, and so coming to terms with that was a little tough yesterday, but we got to it, and I have made the two little straps that are going to go on. We are going to attach these, add the extra inch in the bust line so it's not squishing, and I think we are pretty close to done. So let's finish this thing. cute did this turn out? Started as a skirt, really sweet fabric, very beautiful. You can see here it's still this floral, gauzy kind of fabric. Made it into these little straps here. So then they go to the back, which I think is just so cute. Once I had it on, I liked the idea of making it a little fitted, but not too fitted. So instead of just having it be like that baggy shift, I took it in on this little waist here and made these adorable pleats in the front, so it has a lot of flow to it. So this is the before and this is the after. Okay, how cute is that first piece? I'm so excited for spring and summer so that I can just get tons of wear out of it. I'm going to move on to these plaid pants. I was looking for plaid pants for such a long time and I finally found them at the thrift store, but they're too big for me. So I am going to be taking them in. They have a cute flare. So I want to keep that flare, maybe even make it a little more exaggerated. So definitely going to crop them, definitely going to make them high waist, but I'm really excited about it because I will finally have some plaid pants. So let's get started. Alright, so I have done the whole seam down the side and I didn't go all the way down because I still wanted that big volume on the bottom. I think I might actually have to take them in just a little bit more. It's always better to take them in less than you think that you will actually need it. And I'm going to crop the pants so it's a really cute little short wide leg. So let's crop it. Did these pants turn out? Oh my gosh, I really love them. They're so high-waisted. And then on top of it, they're cropped and very flared. And they're plaid. Oh my gosh, I have a pair of plaid pants now. These are definitely a staple in my wardrobe now. So this is the before. And these are the after. On to the next piece. Excited about this one because it's going to be a little bit of a challenge for me. As you saw, it was like a midi maxi skirt with this really cute pistachio green color. I already cut the bottom off of it, so I'm going to hem this baby up and I'm going to make this shirt into some kind of tank top. I'm thinking something like this, but I also really want to try this. We'll see what I kind of mess with and get into, but so far the skirt is very cute and let's get to sewing. Okay, so this is the final piece and I think it's a great piece to end on because holy cow, how cute did this turn out? I am in love with this. I love the color. I'm so happy with how this turned out. It's one of those, like, I saw it, I envisioned it, and it's exactly how I thought. It just feels so good when you finish something and it's what you wanted to a T. I was hoping to find some kind of summery set, and now I don't even have to find one because I just redid a piece that's been in my closet for a while. So this was the pistachio skirt that you saw before, and now it is a skirt and a top. I added this cute little pleat right here so that it adds some texture to the front, but then the back is where all of the cuteness comes in. So you can see that it now has this two-piece little tie back here. This basically came from the back of the skirt. I took it in two pieces, sewed it all together, made triangles, and it turned into the cutest little bag. I love it. I'm gonna wear this like crazy. This was the before, and this is the after. Thank you so much for joining me today on this super fun thrift flip journey. I love getting to create for y'all. Doing some DIYs is so much fun. I hope that this just inspires you to create and put whatever is in your brain out there. Whether it's your own clothing or songs or art, whatever it is, I think there's just so much beauty in the world and we are the ones who get to create. So just create. Even if it's bad, don't be afraid to fail and make bad art. Step out there and do your dang thing, even if it's bad, because you're getting to express yourself. And the fun thing about fashion is that there's nothing bad. Find your uniqueness and just live it all out because you are absolutely beautiful. Thank you for joining me today. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and go follow me on Instagram. I do sales every Wednesday and videos every Friday right here. Express yourself, be creative. You are well loved. I'll see you next time. Bye.